let's talk about selling against the big box stores, the Lowe's, the Home Depot, the Menards, all those guys. Because let's be honest, you could show up there and buy a window for $200-300 and figure it out, right? That's an option for some people. Now, there's a lot of different factors that play into that, right? So yeah, you can save some money by going and buying a window there. But customers usually are not the window experts. They don't really know what they're buying.
Yeah.
They see that it says Energy Star, but they don't really know what they're buying, all right? And let's be honest, nor do the people at Home Depot or Lowe's or Menards know what they're selling.
Which is a good point. You, as a sales rep, just to educate yourself as to what's out there, you know the quality of what we're doing. So take a look. Like, go get yourself familiar with the costs of the highest end products at Lowe's, Home Depot, Menards, and so that you can confidently tell the customer, like, you might be able to find something like this for, and then you confidently say $400 or whatever it is. And there's different sizes, you'll get better and better at it. But that's fodder, right?
Well, in being confident in it, that was a pivotal point. This is why you should go and you should be studying what other people are doing. You should be studying building and all this other stuff, because the more that you know, the more value you bring to the customer. I sold a $1,500 gutter cleaning job yesterday, but I got in the woman's attic and I inspected it and I assured her everything's good. The last guys who were here did a good job. They just didn't put enough insulation, but it's not a mess up here. They did a good job. It's clean, blah, blah, blah. Oh my gosh, I've been worried about that. And I sleep right underneath this and I've just been worried about it for forever and blah, 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 blah. I thought I had raccoons in there. Like, nope, everything's sealed up nice and tight. You're good. Oh, thank you so much. And then she was like, I can't get these stupid screens out to clean these windows. I was like, oh, let me show you. And I showed her how to take the screens out of her windows. And she's like, I've had probably a dozen friends try and figure this out and they couldn't do it. So, but just because I could use my brain, I didn't know the windows. I'd never removed those type of screens before, but I could use my brain and I figured it out.
Yeah.
And
you're familiar enough with windows where.
Right, exactly. Yeah. So make yourself a professional in more areas than one. I also have to be running that lead with Gustav, and he was selling floors. And so I assisted him in moving the needle on that deal, right?
Yeah.
And I was able to give some ideas and whatever else. So the perceived value of me was through the freaking roof, literally, on that one. And that's why she didn't hesitate to pay me $1,500 for gutter cleaning.
Yeah.
All right. So familiarize yourself with everything that you possibly can. Garage doors, roofing, siding, gutters, windows, decks, anything that will help you look more professional. All right.
Yeah.
So let's get back to what we're talking about here. How to beat the big box stores.
Box stores, yeah.
Right. Mm-hmm. They could go out and they could buy a window for $300, $400, $500, right? And it all depends on the size and whatnot. But that doesn't include the installation. So they're gonna have to pay somebody else then $400 to $800 to come and install this thing. All right. So now they install it. Well, who buys the window? Right? Who's measuring that? And that doesn't include the framing and whatever else. And then who's warranting what? Right now you got the blame game. If there's an issue, you've got Home Depot blaming your installer and installers blaming the manufacturer. And it's just this whole, and everybody's blaming everybody. And guess who gets to foot the bill? You, the homeowner, right?
And you should, as a sales rep, you should articulate this to the customer. The problem with if you do decide, or if anybody decides to go and grab those windows from Lowe's, is the blame game. It's a triangle, and you can articulate it as a triangle.
That's right.
Where if anything goes wrong in the future, it's just going to be pointing fingers, and you're going to have a really, really tough time trying to get anybody to take responsibility for any issue that goes on with that install.
That's right. Meanwhile, we have a lifetime warranty on our windows and lifetime warranty on our labor. So guess what? They call us and it's taken care of. Everything's squared away.
We are a one-stop shop, and with our partner Client Solutions.
Climate.
You said client?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought I said
It's
climate.
hard. Climate solutions. Yep.
It's because we talk about clients and customers so much.
That's right. Yep.
Your clients. No,
Yep.
climate.
Yep. We should start a window and call it Client Solutions Windows. So,
Client
anyways, yeah, one-stop shop between our lifetime warranty and their lifetime warranty. The customer's taken care of. There's no finger pointing. We're certified through Climate Solutions. It works. All right, and so there's none of this back and forth. All right,
and you can anchor it. You can say, hey, you might end up spending a little bit more, maybe not. Maybe it'll be about the same cost, depending on who you have to come out and do your install. Right. There's a possibility for some savings in there, but in a lot of cases, having that one-stop shop solution and that lifetime warranty is what people, the main reason why people love working with us. And climate solutions.
Yeah. Well, and then let's move into like the next step of this too. These box stores are all buying like stock sizes, all right? And they're all mass produced. I mean, you think about a Home Depot, you walk in and they got 6 of the same window there. Well, how many Home Depots are there in the world? And how many times are they refilling that one size, right?
Yeah.
And then how many Home Depot distribution centers are there? It's just crazy how many of this one size window is getting built. And I don't know if you've studied this, like what happens on Black Friday, but any manufacturer will tell you the TV that you buy on Black Friday is for $300 less than its everyday price is not the same TV that you buy for $300 more. All right, they cheap out on a TV, and they only make a certain amount of them. So when things are mass produced and cheap like that, they're not the same quality. All right, an Anderson window, just because it's an Anderson window at Home Depot that you go in and you buy for $350 is not the same Anderson window that you're custom ordering from Renewal by Anderson. All right, there's a very, very large difference there. Okay, there are many different series, there are many different options, and it's just the way that it is. All right, so you're limited, and you're getting a cheaped down window, if you will. All right, that's not going to last. But now let's talk about the size options. Right, they got the stock options. Well, okay, those are the cheap ones. If you want a custom order, it's going to double the price. If you want, instead of a 24 by 48, you want something that's 25 and 3/8 by 46 and 3/4, right? Guess what? It's going to take 5-6 weeks for them to get that window. And hopefully the Home Depot employee cares enough to put it in right, and cares enough to offer you all the right options, and cares enough to actually hit submit, and the system works like it's supposed to, and everything else. And hopefully when it comes in, the Home Depot person cares enough to actually call you and let you know that it came in, and the person that's unloading it on the truck cares enough to not throw it and damage it. I've been there, done it, all right? I've ordered ladders, 32-foot extension ladders, 3 times in a row because they kept damaging it, unloading it off of the truck because they had to use a forklift, all right, for a ladder that we carry one-handed every single day, all right? This happens all the time, all right? And all that does is delay you. They don't give you a discount on it. They might give you a discount if you keep that one, but you're limited on the size. And so then what happens? Well, all right, we'll just go with this other size and we'll make it work. Well, now you've got a bunch of interior trim that needs to be done, and now and then you've got exterior siding that needs to be redone, and now that $500 to $800 install is becoming a $1,000 to $2,000 install, right? Yeah. And things just spiral out of control
for one window.
For one window, right?
Got to properly price anchor people.
That's right. That's right. And we have one other one. I already touched on that. Custom orders. Right.
Yeah.
So yeah, those
You're
are
pretty good at selling against the box stores.
That's right.
It sounds like you've done this before.
I've done it a time or two, especially with gutters, roofs, all that stuff.
Yeah.
Right? So it's real. It is an objection you will get. I can go get a window for $300. Yeah, I bet you can. What type of window are you gonna get? I don't know. Home Depot's got them. Do they have this exact size? Because I just measured it and it's 37 and a quarter.
Does it sound like this?
Yeah. They won't sell single pane glass, I can assure you that. But Their windows will all still be Energy Star, but they're not going to be foam filled. They're not going to have the rubber super spacer. They're not going to have the good integrating locking systems. Like, there's going to be a lot of issues, right?
Yeah,
and you definitely
it can be recycled.
And it's definitely recycled vinyl that moves a lot. And there's definitely no good warranty. There's definitely not a lifetime warranty, right?
Yeah.
And even if they say lifetime warranty, that's going to be a finger pointing game. No,
90-day warranty.
Yeah. Yep. So there you have it. All right, that's how we sell against the big box stores. Don't be afraid to throw stones. Okay, they're not going to hear them. So
they're not gonna even notice.
That's right. Yep. So throw them stones and win bigly.
There you go.